Hi everyone! Hi! Today we're gonna go to the Kaka'ako Farmers Market. It's open every Saturday morning. And today is just Rena and Mom. And we're gonna buy some good food. 今日はカカアコのファーマーズマーケットに行ってみたいと思います。毎週土曜日の朝やってます。今日は英語のフレーズ Can I なんとかなんとかを使ってみたいと思います。So are you gonna order or should I order? Really? Okay. じゃあ私が Can I have なんとかなんとかっていうのを使って注文してみたいと思います。But before I order something, I'd like to show you around the Kaka'ako Farmers Market. 実際に注文する前にちょっとカカアコのファーマーズってこんな感じだよっていうのを紹介したいと思います。Lots of people. It's around 9 a.m. today. たくさん人います。What's your favorite store shop so far?
I don't know all the stores.
You don't know all the stores? We've tried the Crave, the boba place. This is the line. This is the line for coffee. You like the boba? They had you had the taro boba, right? It was purple color.
And then they have cocoa. They have fresh coconut for you. We don't have actual food, so you can use it to scoop the meat out. So you want to do fresh coconut?
That's interesting. They have fresh fruits and veggies and lots of juice and smoothie places. I heard that this place is really good. And of course they have acai bowls. We've tried the abalone. It was good. It was 3 years ago. We tried the cheesecake here.
Really?
Do you remember?
No.
I brought it home. And it was really good. Cheesecake. Now you remember?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Let's go in here. Papaya. Do you like papaya? No. Only Mom likes it. Do you want tangerines? You want tomatoes? Okay. Rena wants tomatoes. Which one? Do you want the smaller one or the bigger one? Bigger one. So we need a bag. It says ice cream banana. Yeah. I wonder how it tastes. This is the long line for the green smoothie. The superfood smoothies. I've had this. It's a strong, it has kale. So the smoothie has kale, baby spinach, romaine, baby bok choy, mint, mango, and banana. And I liked it. But I think it has a strong, to me it has a strong banana taste, banana flavor. And Rena doesn't like bananas. They have cute clothes here. And this is what Rena wants. Right? This is what you want?
Mm-hmm. Chicken katsu.
The what?
The chicken katsu.
Oh, you want the chicken katsu, not the pork katsu?
Actually pork katsu.
Pork katsu? It's up to you. You can decide.
No, pork katsu.
It's up to you って自分で決めていいよってそういうことだよね。And I think we'll have egg salad sando. We're gonna share, so. Oh, should we buy it now? 今買う？もうちょっともある？ Should we look around more? Let's look around a little more. Should we buy honey for Kento? No. Kento は蜂蜜好きです。Kento likes honey. So we changed our mind. we're gonna get the katsusando first because they might run out. 売り切れちゃうかもしれないんで予定変更。カツサンド買います。Their tonkatsu sando is the best seller, number 1. No, maybe that doesn't mean it's the best seller. It's just listed first. So we're going to order 1 pork katsu sando and 1 egg salad sando. Hi, can I get 1 tonkatsu sando and 1 tomato sando?
We have porta potties against the wall over there. About halfway in this lot. Against the wall. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Did I insert it the right way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. We'll call your name when it's ready.
Okay, thank you. Not bad.
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm fine. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. They have bamboo stickers and Hawaiian mochi. And of course, boba. Did you like the mochi here? We had it before. The matcha mochi. Oh, I liked it. It's like this. Green tea mochi and boba mochi. This is a sugarcane juice stand. And he's squeezing the juice from the sugarcane using this machine. So cool to watch. Do you like sugarcane? Not really. By itself. Not by itself. That's a good answer. Same with me. サトウキビジュース、まあ美味しいけど、私たちはそんなに大量にそれ飲みたいとは思わないかな。ボバの方が美味しい。Yeah, boba tastes better, according to Rina. This is an amazake shop. And here's the crepe shop. A sandwich shop with lots of veggies. Looks very healthy. This is a place that sells crispy musubis. Yaki onigiri. They sell grilled onigiris. Should we get this? No? お昼どうしようかなと思って。What should we get for lunch? We have 2 sandwiches, but I don't think that's enough for all of us. But no to this? これはいらないそうです。This is, I think, my favorite place right now. 私の今のところ一番のお気に入り。Should I get only hummus or other things too? Hi. Good morning. Can I have 1 the pickled slaw?
1 slaw.
And 1 hummus. And 1 roasted cauliflower salad. And that's it.
Alright. Any falafels or have you tried our crackers before?
Not the crackers, but I have the falafels in my freezer. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Do you want one?
6 types of seeds and tahini make super rich. My grandma's recipe. Just because we never eat us or get everything gluten-free.
Can I have this too? I really like it. Can I get this too? Now we're at a Thai food place. Hi, can I have 1 green papaya salad and 1 somen salad?
$13. Cash or Venmo?
Oh, okay. I'll just pay cash. These bags are cute. Okay, well, shall we go? Okay. We're gonna head back home and have maybe an early lunch. これから家帰ります。 we're back at our place and we're on the 7th floor, which has the pool and the barbecue tables. And we're gonna just rest here for a little. 今、コンドに戻ってきました。And what do you think this one is?
Maybe egg?
卵サンド. Do you think it's egg? 卵サンド. Ooh, it is 卵サンド. Looks good. Like they use Japanese bread. Okay, can you open the katsando? Wow. So we're gonna have this for lunch. It's not too big. Maybe just the right size. そんなに大きくない。カツサンドです。And we also bought salsa. Fresh salsa from the tomato shop. And we also bought chips. And so we bought lots of stuff at the farmer's market. So when you buy something, you can say, Can I Can I get 注文するときは Can I get が一番簡単。There's also different ways of saying things like May I get, Could I get. They're all the same. But can I get, I feel it's like the easiest way. いろんな注文の仕方あるんですけど Can I get っていうのがなんか一番簡単なのかなって思います。Okay, so this was our farmer's market and a little ワンポイント英会話 video. Thanks for watching.
And see you next time. Bye.
Bye.